Welcome to the last segment for the day, ladies and gentlemen. For that first, I'd like to invite Sangeeta Gupta, Senior Vice President, NASSCOM, to first launch the India Cloud Ecosystem Skill Report. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Good evening and a very warm welcome to the launch of the second key report for the day. You've heard through the day the importance of cloud adoption and innovation and how that's key to the aspiration for any digital transformation strategy, whether it's for enterprises, SMBs, or for the government. India has all the required ecosystem to take a big share of this market and be seen as the cloud solutions hub for the world. However, for this dream to materialize, India must get its cloud skills stack right. NASSCOM, in partnership with DROP, has published a detailed report on cloud skills powering India's digital DNA that showcases the current state of India's cloud talent. What are the different job categories under cloud? Where is the adjacent talent available? And what should be India's strategy to meet the global demand for cloud talent? The report highlights that India is currently the third largest with an installed capacity of over 608,000 cloud professionals across all verticals. India saw over 380,000 job openings for cloud roles in 2020, a 40% growth over 2019, and could fill directly only 115,000 of these roles. So there is even today a large demand-supply gap that is being filled through different measures being taken by the industry. The report also details what is the demand across some of the specific roles in the cloud ecosystem. Native application development, network virtualization, containerization, service architecture, which is gaining significance among the enterprises. Security is becoming integral to the cloud, especially in the post-pandemic world, and specialized skills in cloud security, security standardization, SaaS platforms, identity and access management, and data encryption are gaining in demand. With a baseline growth of almost 24% CAGR, India's cloud talent pool is expected to grow to nearly 1.5 million by 2025. However, given the demand that exists in India and globally, there's an urgent need to scale this further and build the right talent with the right skill sets that can help meet this demand. The report estimates that with a more aggressive talent building roadmap, almost take the 24% CAGR to a 30% CAGR, India can increase its talent pool to between 1.7 to 1.8 million, and in this process become this world's second largest cloud talent hub. However, to bridge this demand supply, skilling at scale needs to be the topmost priority. India is well placed to do this by tapping into the adjacent pools of installed base of talent and targeting, of course, fresh talent from university. Roles in traditional software engineering, IT and networking, security, data engineering can be targeted for upskilling due to higher skill overlap and upskilling propensity. NASSCOM, in partnership with the Ministry of Electronics and IT, has already launched its Future Skills Prime platform, which is a one-stop place where you can get access to job roles in emerging technologies, content around digital fluency, deep skills, and we already have over 300,000 people that have signed up for this platform. So I would urge all of you to look at this platform for your own organization needs and your individual skilling needs. Our vision at NASSCOM is to make India the hub for digital talent, and cloud skills at scale will be key to this vision. This report is part of our advocacy and engagement to focus on the importance of cloud skills and the opportunity ahead. I would now like to invite our strategic partners, Tata Consultancy Services and Accenture, to share their brief perspectives and then join me for the formal launch of the report. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Sangeeta. It's a pleasure to be part of NASSCOM Cloud Summit 2021 at the launch of the Cloud Skills Report. It's an important and interesting study that highlights not just the growth of cloud as a business transformation enabler, but also as an innovation engine. It's not surprising, therefore, to see over $300 billion of investment flowing in, not just from large enterprises and governments, but also venture capitalists and cloud startups. At present, cloud demand outstrips the supply of talent by about 40%. More interestingly, this demand is not just for a host of new cloud roles like cloud platform or security architects, but also for embedding cloud skills amongst IT professionals working on data analytics, working on modern web apps or mobile apps, or even enterprise products. So it's heartening to see the focus and investment from NASSCOM, from our government and the industry towards the aspiration to grow our cloud talent by over 30% year on year. It's a pleasure working with NASSCOM and the ministries on this and in driving India's readiness for a cloud native future. Thank you.
Since the pandemic, it has become an essential mandate for organizations to reinvent their business using the cloud. Hence, organizations would have to look beyond migration and use the cloud as a launchpad for innovation. We believe that the cloud would be the new operating model for the future enterprise. And the most important element would be talent. Organizations would need to build and nurture talent at scale. India being a global talent hub, it is very important that we build and scale this talent, and while doing so, be ready to embrace the cloud. Thank you.
Thank you, Jana and Ajoy, for your support for this very, very important report. I'd now like to request you both to join me on the screen to formally launch the report. Thank you so much. I will hand this back to Justin. Please do download the report and share your feedback. Your feedback would be very, very key to us, and let's all power the mission of building the cloud skills stack for India. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sangeeta, Ajoy, and Janardhan, for launching the India Cloud Ecosystem Skills Report. And like Sangeeta just mentioned, please make sure that you download the report.